Is your business on the brink of collapse? Listening too intently to customer feedback might be the very thing dragging you under. Discover the hidden risks of voice of the customer overload. A staggering 62% of distressed companies prioritize customer complaints, yet 78% of them fail within 18 months. Could your obsession with feedback be leading you to ruin? In times of crisis, the voice of the customer can sound like a lifeline, but it may actually be a siren song, luring you into quick fixes that ignore deeper, systemic issues. Hyper-focusing on customer feedback can blind you to critical voices that shape your business's future. Are you letting complaints dictate your every move? The voice of the business, market, and process are equally vital. Overlooking these voices can lead to operational collapse and missed opportunities for growth. Understanding the four voices, customer, business, market, and process, is essential for decision-making, especially in times of distress. Are you balancing them effectively? Voice of the customer offers immediate, emotionally charged data, yet it can overshadow the long-term sustainability insights found in the voice of the business. When market trends and competitive landscapes are ignored, businesses risk becoming obsolete. Are you missing the bigger picture while chasing customer satisfaction? In a crisis, the law of quick wins can lead to band-aid solutions that drain resources without addressing root causes. Are you falling into this trap? Investors often demand rapid results, pushing companies to appease unhappy customers rather than tackling underlying issues. Is your business caught in this cycle? Ignoring internal inefficiencies can create a ticking time bomb of operational problems. Is your focus solely on customer complaints, neglecting the voice of process? History shows that businesses like Blockbuster have failed to adapt to market shifts because they hyper-focused on customer feedback. Are you aware of your industry's evolution? To avoid VOC overload, start by auditing your existing data sources. How much of your strategy is driven by customer feedback versus other critical voices? Creating a cross-functional task force can bring balance back into your decision-making. Do you have a team that represents all four voices? Mapping customer complaints to underlying business, market, and process issues can help connect the dots. Are you making this crucial connection? Pilot small-scale fixes that measure impact across all four voices. Are your solutions addressing the full spectrum of your business challenges? Lego's turnaround in 2008 illustrates the power of balancing all four voices. What can you learn from their approach to recovery and growth? When addressing customer dissatisfaction, remember to align it with profitability. Are you maintaining a focus on your bottom line while responding to complaints? Tracking competitor moves weekly can keep your business agile. Are you staying informed about the shifts in your industry landscape? Schedule regular process audits to ensure internal efficiencies are not neglected. Is your organization taking the time to assess its operational health? Improvement initiatives must address the four voices to be effective. Are your strategists mindful of all perspectives? Establish metrics that reflect a balanced approach to customer feedback and overall business health. Are you measuring success comprehensively? To truly transform your business, address both symptoms and underlying causes. Are you ready to take a holistic approach for lasting change? The next time customer complaints arise, remember to listen for the other voices in your ecosystem. They may hold the key to your business's survival. Ready to dive deeper? Download our 4-voice alignment scorecard and uncover the blind spots that could be holding your business back. In the complex landscape of business recovery, balance is essential. Are you creating a symphony of insights that guides your company toward opportunity and growth? Don't let your business be just another statistic. Embrace a balanced approach and chart a course toward resilience and success. Your future growth depends on it. Take action now, and transform your customer-centric business into a sustainable powerhouse.